How to add appointment bookings to your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add appointment bookings to your page on Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing all you need to do is go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there to go to your page. Once you are in your page, click on overview in this list. Here you can scroll down and you're gonna find add appointment bookings. And here you can start by click on start setup, and just now you can fix those options easy and quick. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.